Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys touch and vibration sound. How can we on in this video? I am going to show you guys how to on touch vibration sound in Vivo phone. So you want to on guys touch vibration sound in Vivo phone. So you can on in this video. I will show you how to on it. So let's see how to on. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on sound setting. Then guys you can see touch vibration sound, so you want to on, so you can on from here guys, and showing guys haptic feedback for tap keyboard and more option guys. So friends, click on guys touch vibration. Then guys touch vibration sound will off on from here. So I think friends we have understood how to on touch vibration sound in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. For guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.